All right, so I took out the vinegar. I took out the baking soda. Right here I have some ice, which will come in very handy for this. On 1 cup, we're gonna dump some baking soda in. Then we're gonna fill up this other cup with vinegar. What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. Welcome back to another prank video. Now in this video, I will be showing you guys how to pull off 5 pranks with cups. All of these are styrofoam cups, so you can use any type of cups basically. We're also gonna be messing with baking soda and vinegar because we know that combination makes a huge mess. Now before we begin, let's make sure that you guys are subscribed to this channel with the bell notifications turned on. That way you guys know when I upload my next video. Also guys, it's that time of year, time to go back to school. So if you guys wanna see some more life hacks, such as how to sneak food into class, which I'm already working on, because we met our last goal of 1,000 likes, let's set up another goal, but this time it'll be for back to school pranks. So if you guys are interested in learning some new back to school pranks, let's give this video a thumbs up. Once we get to 1,500 likes, I will start working on that video, some back to school pranks for you guys. So let's get started. Again, thumbs up, check it out. This first prank is very easy. You're gonna need 2 cups, 2 styrofoam cups, and a toothpick. So what we're gonna do is join both cups together using the toothpick. 1 cup will be standing normally, the other one will kind of be tilting on its side. It'll look weird, but it won't look that suspicious. So let's take the toothpick, guys, and from inside, we're gonna pierce it so it comes out through the other side. Now the lower you get, the better, but about right here will do, guys. Notice where it's pierced. So that works. It should look something like this. Then we're gonna pierce the other cup with the same toothpick. So it's kind of tilting a little, like so. At this point, you cannot see the toothpick, right? Now on the side of the toothpick that's on the cup that's tilted, we are gonna break it and kind of bend it. Don't break it off, just break it and bend it. All right, so it should look like this. Here's the cup that's gonna be tilted a little, and this is the cup that's gonna have water in it. So now, guys, we lay it on a table, set it as is, and then we're gonna add some water to it. All right, so the cup is filled, just this one. This one is not. Now, it's best if you guys use like soda or something dark so you can't see the toothpick in there, or if it has a lid, even better. But when somebody detaches the cups, this is what's gonna happen. It makes a little spill due to the little hole that the toothpick made. So it's just a little prank you guys can start off, guys. It's very mild, but hey, if you're a little kid, you can definitely get away with doing this prank. This next prank is also mild, not too extreme, but you guys can get away with it, especially if it's at a party, guys, and the party's over and everybody's cleaning up. What you do is you gather 2 cups. 1 cup you fill with water, just a little, like so. And then what you do with the other cup is place it over it like you see right here. So whoever comes over and pushes down on this cup, maybe to try and stack another cup on it, this is what's gonna happen. As they push down, the water inside the cup surfaces and it causes this spill. Another funny way you guys can do this is if the cup that has the water has a couple of holes pierced on it, that will make the water come out through the sides. So again, guys, you got the cup and then a cup on top, and then somebody wants to stack this cup on it, this is what's gonna happen. Again, mild, but it's definitely gonna make a mess. So try it out, guys. And now we're gonna go extreme. We're gonna make 2 big messes using baking soda and vinegar. All right, so I took out the vinegar, I took out the baking soda. Right here I have some ice, which will come in very handy for this. And then we have 2 cups. On 1 cup, we're gonna dump some baking soda in. All right, about half of the cup should be filled with baking soda, like so. Then we're gonna take some ice and throw it in there. So it will cover the baking soda, so nobody will know that there's baking soda there. All right. Then we're gonna fill up this other cup with vinegar. Just like that. And the prank is set, guys. Just get somebody to pour supposedly what they might think it's water onto this cup of ice. Tell them that you want it to get cold. And this is what's gonna happen, guys. Let me show you a demonstration. So your victim's gonna be like, okay, well, simple enough. I'll just dump this water in here. And then that happens. They didn't expect it, but hey, now they have this mess to clean up. And this stuff smells once it combines together, guys. Whew, it stinks. But yeah, guys, that's the prank. So try it out, guys. It gets messy. So if you guys can add some food coloring onto it, even better. For this prank, you're gonna need a water bottle. This one is empty, and that's how we want it. We also need a cup, of course, baking soda and vinegar, with a little bit of ice too. So what we're gonna do first, guys, is we're gonna cut off the bottom of the bottle. So with a blade, carefully, just remove that. Simple enough, right? So now that the bottom has been removed, we're gonna keep the cap on and make sure it's super tight and sealed. The next step is to add vinegar into the cup while it's upside down. So do that. I guess that works. Leave a little gap there just to make it look more legit. We're gonna take the cup, place it over the bottle, and make sure you push down on the cup so it's super tight, and then we're gonna flip over the cup. All right, so far so good, guys. Next, we're gonna fill the sides with, you guessed it, baking soda. So add baking soda inside. So add as much as you can, and I'm getting super messy here. Okay, that works, guys. And don't worry about the mess, they won't suspect anything. I'm just gonna surround the top of the cup with ice, just to make it seem like I'm trying to make this water bottle cold. So just surround the top so they can't see the baking soda. So you guys get the idea, right? At this point, the prank is set. We got the bottle with vinegar, then we have baking soda surrounding it inside of the cup, and then we got some ice around it on top, just to make it seem like we're trying to make this bottle of water cold. So just tell somebody if they could do you a favor and go and get that bottle out of that cup that's chilling there. And when they do that, this is what's gonna happen, guys. They take it out. Instant mess. Yeah. And it keeps on going. Hey, stop, 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 stop. Alright, I think I put a stop to it. But yeah, that's what happens. A big mess. They didn't expect. It's good for any occasion. If you guys want to make a mess, go for it. This prank is awesome. I highly recommend it. For this last prank, you're gonna make somebody think that they're gonna help you out, set up a prank on somebody else, but in reality, the prank is for them. So here's what you will need. A cup. I'm just gonna use this cutting board with tin foil on it just for presentation. You don't have to use it. You also need some grease. So first thing we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna remove the bottom of this cup. And make sure they're watching. Tell them that this prank is gonna be so awesome and that it's gonna get somebody wet. Try to make them believe that what you're saying is true. Alright, so I just removed the bottom of the cup. Now, as far as the top of the cup, we are gonna smear a bunch of grease on it, like so, just to make it seem legit. And actually it would work, except that this is a styrofoam cup and it's lightweight. If it was a heavier cup, this prank would definitely work. But we're not setting up a prank for anybody else but your accomplice. So this will do. And you can even have them help you out with this. It should look something like this. We're gonna flip it over and place it on any surface. But again, like I said, I'm using this cutting board. So at this point, the prank is almost set, guys. Have your accomplice, aka victim, help you out with this. Tell them to press down on the cup while you add water inside. By them adding pressure, the water will not spill out. But once they let go, it will, but they don't know that just yet. So just add the water and tell them the prank is ready since nothing is leaking out. But when they let go, this is what's gonna happen. It starts spilling out right away, and oh, it made a mess that they will have to clean up. And you can even blame it on them. Tell them, hey, you did it wrong. They didn't put enough grease or whatever, but make them clean up this mess. And those were 5 pranks that you guys can pull off on friends and family at home using cups. They're very simple, as you guys just witnessed. So if you guys want to try them out, go for it. They're very fun, but they can get quite messy. So prank at your own risk. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be seeing you pranksters in my next video. Alright guys, well I have lots more pranks at my channel. So click up here because I have an awesome playlist of some amazing pranks that you guys can do at home. Or click up here if you're interested in life hacks and other fun stuff that you guys can do at home, at school, or anywhere. So you have two options guys, choose either one. They're really cool videos, so check them out.